Smile Jamaica, brought to you by...
Do you want to make the most out of your limited space? The DeZign Diva is here to show us how. Miss Karen.
Yes, darling.
What do you have for us today?
Oh, besides myself?
Yeah. Small space,
oh my goodness.
big style.
But you know what is true?
What is true?
It's not really not supposed to be on my head, but we're on
Okay.
live TV with a thing.
So
We're going to take it off on live TV because guess what? This is who we are.
Yeah, when it's in your house,
yeah. Okay.
Space. All right.
Oh, you guys all right now? Okay. It will work with you. It will work with you. All right. So we have a jam-packed session for you today. We're talking about small space, big style. A holy power. That's fabulous.
Right.
This is what I'm talking about. The layering over here. Big style. Yes, black and white. All right, here we go now. So, as you know, BH is one of our partners this season.
Yes.
And one of the biggest things you can do in a small space is to color your walls in very light colors. Why? Because when you have an introduction of white, tinting up the colors, the color now will bounce around. Well, the light will bounce around and what? Expand the space. Exactly. Okay. So that is your #1 rule, right? Remember, BH Paints, they have over 1,323 colors in their palette. What did I just say?
1,323 colors in their palette.
Remember now, there will be a trivia question at some point, so I would ask you guys to please remember and please pay attention and watch till the end. You understand? Okay, there you go.
So what
all
are
right,
we doing
so
today now?
here today now, this is small spaces zones.
Right.
So when you're in your small apartment, you understand that you have to have little zones in order to live comfortably.
Right.
So you can have, this is a space where you can work, you can have breakfast, you can do anything. So this would be like your home office space.
Yes.
Home office space these days, you don't necessarily need a desk.
No.
No, you don't. You just need to be somewhere where you can vibe.
Yeah.
You know? So here, with all my beautiful women who look like me,
yes.
Yeah, you know what I mean? They're
when you
right
look
here
up, you're
in all of our features and everything else, they're here. All right, so we're moving along now. And then our furniture was provided by Singer today.
Nice.
Yes, Singer provide the console right here, sir. Singer provide the beautiful sectional. And you know, the sectional now, remember I always said that when you do small spaces, you have to have small space furniture.
Correct, sectional is great.
Exactly. But the sectionals, sometimes you see these big, ginormous sectionals. This one here is cut specifically for a small space. And you can
And the good thing about the sectional, you don't have to buy the whole of the piece them. Buy the piece where fit
into your space and you're good, right?
Okay.
The next thing now, you can sit and luxuriate in here. No, trust me.
Me like this. This one, me luxuriate on this.
This
one, your foot go all the way out.
Yes.
Me luxuriate, me done work
You're
for the morning.
done for the work, but for the morning. Now, what we brought in as well from Singer are these glass pieces, less visual weight. You learned that from first semester years and years ago.
Glass pieces, less visual weight.
All right. So moving over now, you will have the beautiful dining table. You know what I'm saying? That will fit into your space. Again, you're not going to do the dark colors because when you have the lighter colors, it refracts the light. Right. Exactly. You want to do one pop of color, which is then your sectional. You can do that, you know, but don't have the whole heap of color all over, pop all over. We have made a feature of this back wall here, right? So therefore, you know, you get the aqua curtains, you get this color here. This is called Asian jute, by the way. So you have Asian jute here, Appleton on the blue wall, and Vapor over there on the green wall.
Asian jute
is the color of this wall here.
I'm glad she tell me, because yesterday me tell her, I said my wall is cream.
No.
Booker, it's Asian.
It's Asian jute. You understand? Now, here is the issue. Now, when I developed a color palette. It's called the Jamaica Vibes Palette for Jamaica, powered by BH Paints. Right? So this is part of the Jamaica Vibes Palette. You like it?
I love it.
Thank you very much. Okay.
I love it.
All right. So we have some DIYs as well.
Appleton, you hear it name?
Appleton over there.
Never forget that.
Asian jute here and Vapor over there. We have instances now, you know, biophilic design is a huge thing these days, right? Right, so you always have to bring in some plants into your space.
Right.
You understand?
Like
yes, and those are nice. And they're trailing. All we do is just put it on the wall. You know, no holy fuss and muss and these things. All right, so we have some images, and you know, just to punctuate the point a little bit, and then we have our fabulous DIY.
Come make with DIY.
So here is the thing. You see this here?
Yes.
This is your DIY. I'm going to show you exactly how to do
To
it.
DIY this?
Yes, it's a planter. Yeah, you know, see how it's fabulous?
It's a planter, make a DIY?
Yes.
Jeez, I'm going to think of the plant.
Oh my God. So I'm going to carry this in a planter right here. It is fabulous.
Yeah.
It is absolutely
and
fabulous.
And it's a DIY?
It's a DIY.
Come, girl, make a DIY.
All right, so we're over here now. Okay, and I'm just going to show you how to do it.
DIY or DIK? Do it yourself or do it Karen?
DIY. WK, DIY with Karen.
DIB.
DIY with Karen. Okay, all right. So here is the situation now. All you're going to do, you don't have to do nothing really and truly.
Me never plant.
You see how she don't have no ambition? She never plant. How could you not
plant?
Come
look too good with the black and white.
Oh.
You give me now.
You take a,
go on.
You take a BH can that you just finished painting with, you wash it out. I would suggest that you do the water base and not oil base. You understand what I'm saying? You can't really wash out the oil base. So you take a can, just a regular paint can. You take off the label, like so.
Okay.
Okay? All right. You take some spray paint and you spray the can. Cool? All right. While that is drying, you're going to hot up your glue gun. See glue gun here? You hot it up. Okay? If it is, you're going to get burned, by the way, so you're just going to get a little cup with some ice. So when it burns, you just put your finger in the ice, and it's all good. It's fine. It's less than baby pain. You'll get over it.
Oh, you call Booker to do it.
All right. You take your glue sticks now. You heat it up, and you glue on. These are paint stirrers from BH. So all you do, you just glue it on there, there, and there.
Listen.
And you have yourself a planter that you would think you bought out of somewhere fabulous.
Listen, you know, me knock the side of the thing?
Yes, it's a paint can.
I could not believe that this is a paint can. It is a paint can.
It's a paint can.
So
now, when Cheyenne was giving it to me, she said to me, Lord, it dent. I said, don't worry about no dent in one. Now, this one dent, you know. You see, if you can look at this, it has a dent in there. Let me tell you something, guys. Something that is previously loved, right, brings more soul and spirit into your space. Okay? Do not shoot for perfection. It is progress over perfection. You're not perfect. Nothing in your house perfect. If you find something and you can zhuzh it up, go right on ahead.
Oh, come and love this.
Of course.
And you know, guess something about it too. Me live at Portmore, you know, it hot.
It hot.
The metal can't take it because I
it
can
can't
put this outside.
And then you just spray it on.
Yeah.
That's all. And you don't have to spray it black. You just spray. Now, guys, remember, you know, my IG address is Karen DeZign Diva Booker. Okay. And also, we had a winner from last week.
We did?
Yes, Carlene Scott Clive. She won a gallon of paint from last week from the trivia question. Yes, she did. So we're very, very happy. So you guys think so we're just there and we're going to think that you don't hear who. Now you've heard Carlene Scott. She is the big winner. She won herself a gallon of paint. Carlene, you know what to do.
So we're giving away anything this week?
We are giving away this week another gallon of paint. And the question is, how many, where's the trivia? It's not there. Okay. How many colors are there in the BH palette?
Okay. Daily, I did tell her.
No, you're off mic. You're off mic.
Daily, I did tell her.
123.
Where are the numbers to call?
Okay, now that is the incorrect number right there. The number to WhatsApp is 876-421-6298. That is the number that you will WhatsApp. 876-421-6298. Now I have another thing. You know, sometimes, Delia, you're going to love me for this one.
Tell me.
Next week is still go dream about me. Sometimes you're sitting on your sofa and you want to plug in because you're out of charge.
All the time.
Right? Okay. And then you have to get up now and go which part. Or you have to go move.
This
is what we did. This is how you're going to be so happy and proud of me.
What did we do?
Hold on. Look at this.
Yeah.
This is a power strip that we made that can go right behind the sofa. George and Ras, come take this thing up.
Hey, George and Ras will lift me up to it.
Oh, yeah, then we'll lift you up. Yes, man. Go on with it and just put it down. And okay, there we go. We should have moved this up a little bit. It's okay. It's not a perfect world. So what we did, we just got some 2x4s. right? And strip it up, made, you see it now? Wow. And so when you are sitting down with your phone, okay, figure this is your phone and it needs to charge, right?
Come here.
Yes, man, this is your phone.
Okay.
And you say, blow, man, sit down and me and Dale's a whole reasoning.
The movie are old.
Yeah, the whole, yeah, man.
But the phone
need for charge. And we say, blow, oh, man, we have to go charge the phone, Dale's. But guess what now, Dale's?
I'm going to pause some more. Or watch the movie.
I'll watch the movie.
I'm up, watch the movie.
So, where the charger? Where the charger? Okay, so all you have to do, because you're at my house now, because you're not up to speed with these things yet, you know? And I say, oh, you don't have to worry about the charger, my darling. We have the charger, we have the charging port right behind here. So we just plug it in. Oh, no, going to love me, I tell you. Yes. Right here.
You're one of them folks who like to work in your sofa.
Yes, like me. And with a blanket and whole heap of pillow, we're good. And then you can always use this now to put your coffee cup and anything on it as well. It is perfect.
I would like to test it at home to prove if it works.
George, Miss Delia wants you to carry it in our car so she can go home. But we want a video. All right, guys, we gotta go. My God, what a something. Jeez, Pete.
She can't stay there tired. I'm very comfortable.
Karen DeZign Diva Booker is the Instagram page. Carleen, I'm telling you, girl, congratulations. If you need any help picking a color, you know I'm here for you. And until next week.
Until next week.
The PH palette of 1,300. Oh, yeah, that too.
All right.
You see, why do that ever be?
Karen Booker.
Why do it? You know what I feel?
Because PH love you with things.
Yeah, but you don't have any, what do you call it? Faith into the people who are listening.
I do.
In Smile Jamaica, brought to you by